What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, press that subscribe button and join the growing family of lovelies. Don't forget to turn notifications on so that you won't miss any of my tips and tricks. Today is long awaited, and we are going to be unveiling and swatching. This is a new product alert, so drum roll, please. The BH Cosmetics First Edition 120 eyeshadows. If you want to see me dive into this lovely palette, then keep on watching. Previously unboxed this just to check the condition of my shadows. Like I said, I'm super bummed that I lost 3, but 3 out of 120, I can deal with that. So, opening it up, she looks like so. Now, this is only the first tray. Like, there's another one. I mean, like I said, I did lose 3 shades. I lost this one, and this one. Okay, so there's a little thing right here. Let me just set it down so I don't break it, because these ones are super, super fragile. This is the bottom tray. Now, these are the rest of your purples, pinks, neutrals, browns, transition colors, and this tray holds the 4 matte colors that are in this palette. Now, I mean, I'm shook. 120 shades and you can only fit in 4 mattes? Like, come on, BH Cosmetics. We need more mattes. But I'm sure that the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th edition probably have more mattes. I don't know. I have not Googled them, as I wanted to focus solely on this one, and I figured if I Googled that one, then I would just go and buy those. So focusing on this one, we're just gonna do a couple of swatches. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and swatch 120 colors for you guys. As much as I would love to, I just don't have the time for that. Why don't we just do one of each color? Okay, so, let's just start with this beautiful turquoise blue color. This is a shimmer color, and oh my god, as a lid topper girl, this one would be amazing. Let's just swatch it right here. Woo! That's gorgeous. Okay, let's go into a purple one and see how these ones perform. So let's just see how this one goes. Okay, I had to blow it off, but that's a really pretty purple. A really, really pretty purple. Okay, let me just show you guys one of the matte colors. Of course, it had to be a bright pink, my favorite color. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just see how this one works. I'm gonna say let's try a different matte pink. So let me just try a different one. That one kind of skips and I'm just not digging it. Okay, this one's better. That one is the 2nd pink one. Now that one is a matte color, and I kind of want to do a look with these 4 colors right now. Like, wouldn't that be just a crazy look? Do you want to see it? Leave it in the comments and let me know if you want to see a look with these 4 bright colors. I would be super excited. to give that to you. So drop it in the comments and let me know. All right, you guys, you know that I am a sucker for a red. This palette doesn't have any reds. I was super excited to show you guys a red, and I'm like, there's not one. There's not one. Okay, well, I guess we're just gonna skip the red. That sucks. BH Cosmetics, what's up with that? Okay, let's try one of these. Now, this shade reminds me so much of one of the shades in my Morphe 35O palette. Like, it could be a dupe, like, legit. Not saying that it is, it just reminds me of it. Okay. Wow. That one is smooth and buttery and creamy, and hey girl, it has pigment. Okay, let's dive into a matte brown. I did not even notice that this palette had a matte brown. Let's just tuck her right here. Hello. Oh my goodness. As the colors get darker, they seem to improve. All right, well, let's go into our top shelf and swatch a couple of these. Now, these ones right here, I'm gonna like put it really super close to the camera so you can see. These ones over here are like little planets. Like, they have, you know, specks of another color in them. So, I mean, I wonder what colors these would actually be. You know, because when you mix two colors, obviously they don't make that color, they make a different color. So let's just try, let's try this orange one with green specks. Girl, that like came out weird. Wow. Okay, let's just put her right here. How did it do that? What? Okay, it's like a transition color. It's like tan, but a little bit shimmery, but it's orange and green. Like, my mind is blown right now. My mind is blown right now. Wow, that shade. Oh my God, like, wow, that's awesome. Okay, so let's go into the green sections. Now, let me tell you guys, there's like 2 whole rows of greens, and each shade is just slightly different than the last. Slightly darker, they've got lighter colors. I mean, I don't even know which one to swatch for you guys. I guess I'm just gonna do this one. Is a emerald green, and it has a gold undertone to it. She's right here. Let's just tuck her right here. Ooh, hello. Wow, that is really pretty. Okay, let's dive into a blue. Let's do a dark blue and also a lighter blue. This one is a matte shade. She's like a turquoise color, a light turquoise. So I'm gonna tuck her right here next to this other one, and blow. Now, I can say that this one is a little bit clumpy. Like, there's clumps on my finger and clumps on my arm. But like I said before, and I've said it numerous times, swatches are not the best way to test out a product. You want to put it on your lids. You want to put it on your face. Try out the product and see if it works for you. Okay, so we're gonna swatch this blue one and we're gonna put her right here. Wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, let's go into a yellow. We have not talked about yellows. We're just gonna try this one and swatch it and see. I mean, like I said, there are a ton of yellow ones to choose from. Okay, so we're just gonna swatch this yellow and see how it works. I'm just gonna tuck her right here. Yellow pigment. Now, most of these shades are showing really nicely on my skin. I'm super fair toned. I'm still shook about that orange and green color that turned gold. Guys, I could not leave without showing you guys a white color. White is a basic staple item in everybody's makeup bag. So, does the white work? We need to know. I have her on my finger right here. She is pigmented as on my finger. Let's just tuck her right here. Oh my gosh. This one is a glimmer shade. Girl, I'm getting colored up today. It's beautiful. Beautiful for an inner corner highlight or to just set the eyes, set a cut crease. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love, love, love this palette, and I hope that you guys love it too. All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed what you've seen here today. If you have, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up on your way out. Also, push that subscribe button and turn notifications on so that you don't miss any of my tips and tricks. Also, you can follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. The links to both are right there, or you can find them also in the description box, along with all of the products I'm wearing on my face. All the tea is in that box, girl. So click it, subscribe, join the family. I love spending every moment that I can with my lovelies. So until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.